Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and giving it the permissions it needs. Allow location always so tracking continues when the screen sleeps. Next, set location mode to high accuracy so GPS plus Wi-Fi improves positioning. Then, make sure battery optimization will not stop maps, exclude it, or enable background app refresh. Once done, double-check that Do Not Disturb or Power Saver modes won't throttle apps. Those can pause navigation when you need it most. You now start navigation to an actual destination so map stays active with turn-by-turn guidance. Once navigation begins, adjust screen timeout or use the in-app Keep Screen On option so the display doesn't sleep mid-route. Next, connect to your car via Bluetooth or Android Auto/CarPlay. This routes voice prompts and prevents interruptions from notifications. If you must, lock the phone and rely on voice directions. Still, keep an eye on battery and temperature, because overheating can force the system. You finish with quick checks. Confirm voice guidance is on and volume is loud enough over traffic, and set map orientation to your preference. If Maps unexpectedly stops, toggle location off then on, or force stop and relaunch Google Maps. This often restores tracking. If problems continue, reboot the phone and install any Google Maps or system updates. Those fixes address persistent bugs. One troubleshooting tip: if navigation fails after a system update, clear Maps cache before reinstalling, because corrupt cache can break background operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.